Transmission fluid may need to be changed if it is dirty or added if its level is low. Perform the following checks if the transmission fluid level is low. Check for fluid leaks at all seals and gaskets. Also, check the case for cracks, corrosion, and pitting. Check for leaks from the transmission cooler inside the radiator and leaks in the transmission lines. To view the transmission filter replacement procedure, select each tab for more information. When finished, select Next to continue. Locate the transmission fluid pan under the vehicle. When removing the pan to drain fluid, remove all but 2 bolts. Loosen those 2 bolts slightly. If equipped, remove the drain plug to drain the fluid. Otherwise, carefully remove the fluid pan. Remove the transmission filter. Ensure that the old transmission filter seal is removed. Then install the new filter and seal. Ensure that all seals and gaskets are in place and that the filter is fully seated and secured. Clean and install the fluid pan and gasket. Refill and recheck the transmission fluid level according to the service information for the vehicle being serviced. Make sure to use the correct transmission fluid for the vehicle.